Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
I am doing well.
Glad to hear.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Ego.
What can you do?
I can help you by moving something from one place to another. I can do face recognition, speech recognition, talk and line following.
Are you happy being a robot?
Yeah, I'm happy to be a robot.
Do you know me?
Yes, I do. You are my creator.
Do you know me?
I'm sorry. I don't know who you are.
Put this in the trash.
Okay.
Ego.
Yes. How can I help you?
Bring the torch.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.